Hello students, chapter number 5, the Euclid's geometry. You have studied about the geometry in many times, like quadrilateral, triangles and many more. The Euclid's geometry is the specific geometry for our mathematics. The word geometry comes from the Greek word geo. The geo meaning the earth. The earth, geo meaning earth, and metrin. Geometric, metrin meaning to measure. It means we measure many things on the earth. This is called the geometry. For example, the triangle have 3 sides, we measure them. The quadrilateral have 4 sides, we measure them. And this branch of mathematics was studied in various forms in every ancient civilization, be it in Egypt, Babylonia, China, India, Greece, etc. You know it. This branch of mathematics studied in the ancient worlds. Many countries like Egypt, Babylonia, China, India, Greece, well known about the geometry. In the Indian subcontinent, Bharatiya Upmahadip, Indian subcontinent, the excavations at the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Harappa and Mohenjo-daro civilization is the developed civilization in the world. Shows that the Indus Valley civilization about 3000 backward of Jesus made extensive use of geometry. The civilization of Indus Valley is a developed society. It was a highly organized society. The cities were highly developed and very well planned. For example, the roads were parallel to each other and there was an underground drainage system. The houses had many rooms of different types. The shows the town's dwellers were skilled in mensuration and practical arithmetic. The bricks used for construction were kiln fired, and the ratio length breadth thickness of the bricks was found to be 4:2:1. I underline the bricks of the Indus Valley civilization. The ratio of length and breadth and thickness 4:2:1. It means if the thickness of a bricks is 3 inch, then this thickness is 3 inch, then its breadth is 6 inch and their length is 12 inch. In the time of Indus Valley civilization, length, breadth and thickness 4:2:1. A Greek mathematician, Thales, is credited with giving the first known proof. What is the proof? He gave us the proof for the geometry. He gave the proof of geometry. This proof was of the statement that a circle is bisected. A circle is bisected by their diameter. for a cut into two equal parts by its diameter. This is the perfect proof for the geometry. Or who was the given this? The Greek mathematician Thales. This proof was the statement that the circle is bisected, cuts into two equal parts by its diameter. One of the Thales' most famous pupils was Pythagoras. It is a famous person. You have studied about the Pythagoras theorem. It teaches us that the hypotenuse square equal to the base square plus the length square. When was the Pythagoras born? 572 backward of Jesus. Pythagoras and his group discovered many geometric properties and developed the theory of geometry to a great extent. At this time, Euclid, we are learning about Euclid geometry. The Euclid, a teacher of mathematics at the Alexandria in Egypt. The Egypt is very development country in the Europe in the mathematics. Collected all the known work and arranged it in famous treatise called Elements. The book. What he do for the mathematics? He collect all the known work discovered by the mathematician and arranged them in his books, Elements, and into 13 chapters. The elements have divided into he divided elements into 13 chapters, each called a book. And this book, these 13 books influenced the world. Understanding of geometry for generation to come. Thank you.